Hi guys, this is the remnants of, or the remains of Vincent's Mustang, the engine from his '94 Mustang, silver car. We got it in the garage Friday night, pulled the engine out, got it apart yesterday. You can see the bearings. The mains are hammered, especially the back ones. It's like they didn't even fit in the saddle good anymore. Uh, so I I'd measured the main journals on the crank. They look good. They're like within spec. They're just all were ground 20 under, and I had right bearings in. I was scared. I was thinking maybe I got a wrong bearing. You know, the bearing was packaged wrong, or I forgot to torque one of the mains. You know, something like that. But they were all torqued good. They all had 20 on the shell, bearing shell. So yeah. So I don't know. The rods look great. You know, they're good. This one's got a little bit of bearing stuff on it from the main. Like I said, these were in the cap, and then these were in the saddle. They progressively get worse. The only thing I can think of is when the harmonic balancer failed. You know, started coming apart. The ring, outer ring, slipped and started moving forward. But we didn't run it that much after I first noticed it. You know, I was like trying to figure out what it was, and I saw the ring wobbling, so I pulled it off and put a new one on. But it still had the vibration, so I don't know if the bearings were already junked by then or what. But I'm probably not going to use that crank again. I've got, like I said, I got the other short block we're going to put in. The heads look good. You know, that's just from driving it into the garage. So we hadn't driven it much. So still using the same cam. Still everything else we're going to use, just a different short. So anyway, that's what that looks like. All right, appreciate y'all.